If you're experiencing frame stuttering in Red Dead Redemption 2, there are several adjustments you can make to improve performance. Follow these steps to enhance your gaming experience. Step 1. Update graphics drivers. Ensure that your graphics drivers are up to date. Visit the website of your GPU manufacturer NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel and download the latest drivers for your graphics card. This can help improve performance and fix bugs. Step 2. Adjust in-game settings. Lower the graphics settings within the game. Go to the settings menu and reduce options such as texture quality, shadow quality, and anti-aliasing. This can help the game run more smoothly on your system. Step 3. Disable background applications. Close any unnecessary applications running in the background. Programs like web browsers, streaming services, or other games can consume system resources, leading to stuttering. Use the task manager to end these processes before launching the game. Step 4. Optimize game files. Verify the integrity of the game files if you're using a platform like Steam or Epic Games. This process checks for any corrupted files and replaces them, which can resolve performance issues. Look for the option in the Game Properties menu. Step 5. Adjust power settings. Change your computer's power settings to high performance. Go to the control panel, select power options, and choose the high performance plan. This setting ensures that your CPU and GPU are running at their maximum potential while gaming. By following these steps, you should notice an improvement in the frame rate and overall performance of Red Dead Redemption 2. Enjoy your gaming experience.